AGC Design Limited has a long-standing belief and good reputation in BIM adaptation in our design process. In the refurbishment of South China Hotel project, we strongly support cooperating with open BIM methodology and initiated a sustainable design procedures using various cutting-edge technologies. With these in-house technologies, we can work within the tight construction time frame and meet the entire project team in the early stage of the project. The 3D models based on scanning data and existing documentation are our level ground to start the BIM coordination. With the open BIM methodology, all the referencing data has been translated into the open data file. Trimble Connect as our commons data environment platform allows us to review and scrutinize our design model, which certainly optimizes our design and brings flexibility and mobility to our work methodology. As this is a renovation project, building elements need more rigorous collaboration and coordination between the on-site personnel and other subcontracting individuals. The building models and IFC combo have given us a greater capacity to collect data from various project parts. Using Trimble Connect to glue up all the professional reviewing and optimizing the building layout from the design stage. With this non-restricted information, we have enough intel to run various simulations to nail down the best design and construction options. Our architects, along with the main contractor, conducted the design review together with other building sector members through an open platform, which enabled us to have a holistic vision while designing. We could recognize and resolve problems simultaneously. The early involvement of BIM has saved our time in the need of redesign and also minimized on-site discrepancies.
As the main contractor, we faced many challenges in this project. The most critical challenge is to perform the new design while preserving the existing building structure, which limits to extend the modification that can be made. Therefore, the team heavily relies on actual on-site conditions and data for the design and coordination. Moreover, discrepancy between the drawing and the actual site dimension make redesign and construction more challenging and difficult. To complete on-site measurements more quickly and efficiently, we use a handheld 3D scanner, which can achieve high precision measurements quickly without high-skilled personnel. Generally, scanning one floor only takes 5 to 7 minutes. Further, using the point cloud data can avoid unnecessary human errors in data recording. We obtain the live wave scanning data integrated with the live BIM models and well coordinated in the open CDE platform. Automated data recording allows us to obtain accurate and information anytime and anywhere in the application of digital twin. Finally, to make the entire BIM process more efficient, our BIM team developed an open BIM plugin called T-Time. This plugin was awarded Enterprise Gold Award at the BIM Automation Arena 2023, organized by Hong Kong IBIM, which is a great recognition of our automation plugin. It has brought a more automated BIM lifecycle and incorporated with open BIM concept into this building project, successful to moving toward a more innovative and automated direction in the design, procure, assemble, and operation phase.
I'm proud to introduce the Hong Kong BIM software we developed. Hong Kong BIM has been applied to create BIM models for the South China Hotel project in an open BIM format. Hong Kong BIM offers a fast and easy-to-use modeling environment that eliminates high-cost hardware requirement. It offers a lightweight modeling platform with IFC format for all trades, including architecture, structure, and MEP. It can be operated in an ordinary notebook computer. These features remove the barriers that previously existed in adopting the BIM, making the BIM technology accessible and affordable to a large user group. Hong Kong BIM will encourage more industrial stakeholders to take up the advanced BIM technology and hence benefit the whole industry. Hong Kong BIM serves as an alternative modeling tool to the Hong Kong construction industry in an open BIM environment. Hong Kong BIM can export IFC models and modify the IFC elements, which can be seamlessly integrated with other modeling software through the CDE platform, making it easier for teams to work together to improve collaboration and productivity.
Oricon, as a professional design, engineering, and advisory consultant, is renowned for our devotion to supporting BIM use to help our customers, communities, and economies transition to a more sustainable, livable, and durable future. In a refurbishment project, most of the building structure would remain unchanged in this particular project. Hence, the challenge is coming from how to precisely render MEP design and incorporate the system perfectly into the existing site condition. The open BIM concept plays a vital role in our participation in the design build of the South China Hotel refurbishment project. With open BIM opening up the information sharing and exchange standard, we can establish an open workflow that allows seamless collaboration among all the project stakeholders. With the help of an open files and CDE such as Trimble Connect and BIM Track, digitizing and visualizing predictable consequences of certain design options have greatly reduced the errors and waste. Open BIM with Open to all CDE has become the standard of the industry. Compared to the traditional fragmented design storage and lack of communication, the deal has led the industry to move faster towards the digital twin future that for better sustainable planning and management in the bigger picture.
As the main contract, we are facing a couple of critical challenges when sourcing the project moving as the plan. First of all, when doing refurbish on an existing building, we need to make sure the design is constructible. Under the pressure of COVID-19 environment, we decide to incorporate advanced technology across the spectrum to ameliorate the issues in project management, such as the shortage of professionals, logistic arrangement, as well as the efficiency of the workers. Some innovative technology, including Trimble Connect, BIM Track, Open Space, and point cloud scanning. With these new means, the Open BIM concept have successfully enabled professionals across the discipline to work together on a truth reflective line model, assuring uninterrupted, smooth project coordination and management. The data sharing platform and the technology provided by Open Space permits the engineers to access the actual site with digital recording from 360 panoramic cameras within just a few minutes, making electronic records of all sorts of site issues so that corresponding engineer personnel could keep abreast of and track down the latest site development. Last but not least, the site progress reports are generated automatically, which saves about 70% of manpower and time. Altogether, adoption of BIM and the Open BIM concept in our project management perspective has ensured the integrated model is a single source of truth when performing routine coordination, and all our maneuvers in the project are traceable and reliable.